Oh! Right! It is I! Manong Kirisama! Jaire! Kirisama! Back at it again! Kirisama! With a brand new Alak Tutorials!
Ay, may tumatawag.
Ayos yun, tol.
And I'm here with you today with Kirisama!
Kala ko ako eh.
Today, here at Alak Tutorials with G Planet Squad and everything else, with all the subscribers watching, we are gonna fix something na hindi namin nagawa ng tama a long time ago.
Ayos yun, tol.
Siguro naman nakita nyo na yung title, huwag na natin patagalin pa. It's Distance Over Time! I'm a STEM student, you know, I specialize in science, technology, engineering, mathematics. So it's distance over...
Formula.
Distance over time. So the unit is meters per second. It's velocity.
Sample problem.
Sample problem. Zia travels 15 meters in 3 seconds. How much is the velocity? How much is the velocity? Ganon. Velocity! May mga alak tutorials kaming mga i-remake. Isa to sa mga yon.
Ayos yun, tol.
So, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Kirisama, ano ba kailangan natin, syempre?
Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating tradisyonal na pitsil. Pero dapat tatanggalin muna natin to kasi wala pang halo yan. At yun, bawal siyang may grease. So yan, malinis. Wala siyang ano, kung ano naman. We don't have anything microbiology. I'm sorry. Makes thoroughly. Hindi naman to Alak Tutorials kung walang mga panghalo.
Kala ko ako eh.
It's time the lantern. The lantern. Dan dan dan.
Lagyan
Jalan dan.
na natin dito. And we also need
Velocity Gatorade.
velocity. Basta Gatorade, ayan.
Gatorade. Any color ba, Manong? O kailangan
Hindi, kailangan blue.
Kailangan blue.
Ayos yun, tol.
At hindi naman to Alak Tutorials kung wala ang ating main substance, alcohol.
Hindi yan yung alcohol.
Ay, sorry.
Ito yung alcohol.
Ayan. Eh, nasisindihan naman din to eh.
Ayos yun, tol.
Ako magbubukas dahil po hindi expert si Manong, hindi niya po nakita yung indicator na dito dapat magbukas.
Ayos yun, tol.
Magbigyan mo na yung bebe ko, naka-shades.
Tinik na tinik po ang araw dito sa aming planeta.
You make open the substance.
Hindi natin to masisindihan kung wala tayong lighter.
Ayos yun, tol.
So, kailangan nyo ng lighter.
So what's the first step, Manong?
Basta kailangan nyo na... Kailangan nyo...
Ayos yun, tol.
Basta kailangan nyo na lighter yan! Lighter! Oh.
Nakita niyo nag-i-spark siya?
Open the Gatorade, put it in
Put it
the-
like this.
Ilagay nyo dito, ayan.
Yan, dapat kulay blue siya, kulay blue. Hindi siya kulay yellow, hindi siya kulay kung ano man. Oh! Ayun!
Bicarbonated, ano?
Yan, carbonated drink na dapat shake well before using. Eee! Dahil ito ay velocity squared, calculate nyo kung gaano kalakas yung takip.
Ayos yun, tol.
A STEM student can handle this without even missing a bubble. Yeah, you can see it's opened by a STEM student like me, and you haven't lost any liter or even a milliliter.
Kalahati lang din ilagay dito. Put half gin.
Ayos yun, tol.
Ayan,
Unti
lagay
pa,
na
unti
natin.
pa.
Unti pa, just not yet kalahati.
Oh!
Hinubaran.
Lagyan mo na natin.
Uy, ano to? Ang lagkit.
You put the dalandan into...
You put tang dalandan in the gin bottle. Smells good. Hinahangin ng ating tang.
Lagyan mo ng count sa gilid.
To you by
Yes.
Ayos yun, tol.
Ang mahalaga lang po ay importante.
Optional lang tong second dalandan kung gusto niyo ng super tamis, super asim, ewan.
Makes thoroughly.
Kung ano yung ginagamit yung paghuhugas ng puwet,
Panghugas
tuwing
ng
tumatake
puwet?
kayo. Yan. Mix.
Makes thoroughly.
Podcast lang.
And now you put Sprite.
Gin nga pala yun, nakalimutan ko.
A lot of Sprite.
Lasing tayo na.
And we do this in the pots.
Okay, now we do
And
the
this-
ignite.
So in igniting, you should safety first. You should have the glasses and the. But I'll do this.
Eh di sige, ikaw na lang mo.
So you put a little here first. Yan.
Soon.
Yung
3,
uhaw lang po.
Hindi sa
4.
dalawang ano lang.
And now for the crucial part.
The sensei. The sensei of all senseis of Alak tutorial. Ooh. Why? It's Kool-Aid green. How come? Then you do the mix well, mix well. Mix thoroughly. Hashtag drink responsibly. Brought to you by Nasan ka na, Rick J? Mix thoroughly. Uy, ang sarap sa tenga. Meron siyang mga parang bumubula-bula. Mix thoroughly.
Siyempre, Kirisama, hindi naman natin to pwede inumin ng ganto lang.
Yeah, as always, we even did a special segment for this. It's called the Brace for Impact!
Brace for impact!
Brace for freaking impact!
Go!
Mix thoroughly.
As much ice as you want, mga
As much ice as you want. Sa maraming mata. As much ice as you want.
Yan, lagyan mo yan, lagyan mo yan.
Yan. Wait lang. Alrighty.
Ayun nga pala, shoutout nga pala sa mga taong to. Shoutout sa inyo. Siyempre, hindi naman to inuman kung walang pulutan! Pulutan.
Mix thoroughly.
Bagay na ba? Ang mamaya pa.
So para po siyang avocado juice. Meron ba avocado juice?
May avocado juice ba?
Ano nasa nun?
Hindi avocado.
Anong to ito?
Hashtag sorry liver and drink responsibly in the comments kung gusto niyo ma-feature din sa mga comments. Hey! Test!
Taste! Test!
Tikman na naman the people. Kung papasama yan o hindi.
Sir?
Ayon sa lab test,
Taste is good. The test is good. Yes, taste is.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice, very cool, yeah.
Di na
Mission success. Pero masarap.
Masarap siya, oo. May aftertaste ng gin.
Pero,
I recommend this for hard drinkers.
masarap, pero
Not really. Mga average drinkers.
And average hard drinkers.
masarap na pwede na. Pero hindi maintindihan yung lasa kung ano lasa nito.
Parang ano siya eh. May matamis na parang candy.
Ayos yan, tol. Okay lang naman yan, tol. Kung i-rate natin to, ano yung rating mo
Para sa akin,
fine.
nasarapan ako sa kanya eh.
sa kanya?
But,
Ay, joke lang. Sige, tuloy-tuloy lang. Pangit pakinggan.
Dire-diretso ko lang ano.
8.5.
8.5. Para sa akin naman mga kaunggoy, ang i-rating ko dito is 7.8. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. And that's the bottom line! Because Manong Jairus said so. And
Kirisama! Hashtag nasan ka na naman, Rick G? Nasan ka na naman? Nasan ka na naman? Nasan ka na naman? Upset ka na naman? Ano na naman yan? Pero gusto mo na naman, second trailer.
G-Plana Squad!
Udgang Network.
Guys!
G-Plana Squad.
And we're... Kakatapos. And we're...
Signing!
Velocity!
Distance over time. Meters per second is the basic unit of velocity.
Shot!
Pace.
Atras!